Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox Content Not Accessible error. So let's get started. If you're trying to join a Roblox experience and you see a message saying that the content is not accessible or that you need to update your content maturity settings, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by your account's privacy or content settings and can be fixed in just a few minutes. First, open the Roblox website and sign into your account if you haven't already. If you're using the Roblox mobile app, tap on the More option and then go to Settings. From there, look for the Privacy section or the Privacy and Content Maturity section, depending on your version of the app. Next, find the Content Maturity setting. Check the current level selected on your account. If it's set too low, some experiences may be unavailable. Increase the content maturity level to a higher setting, such as moderate, to gain access to more experiences. If you choose the restricted option or want access to all available experiences, Roblox may require you to verify your identity first. Follow the on-screen instructions if verification is needed. After making these changes, refresh the Roblox page or restart the app and try opening the experience again. In most cases, the Content Not Accessible error should now be resolved, and you'll be able to join the game without any problems. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.